Hey everyone, welcome to another adventure. Today we are heading somewhere truly extraordinary. The journey itself is a part of magic. Look at the beautiful scenes around me and the beautiful drive. The magic starts here. Can you hear that? This is the sound whenever you walk on this beautiful white sandy squeaky beach. This beach is called Squeaky Beach, and this beautiful beach you can find at Wilson Promontory, and uh, it creates natural melody whenever you walk on this beach. This is white beach with beautiful rocks and the green mountains and clear skies. Just look, this thing feels like heaven. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.